Okay, the first question is E5.1. Presented below are a number of statement of financial position accounts of Cunningham PLC. So there are A to N. We need to indicate whether all of these accounts are included in which position in statement of financial position. So A, investment in preference shares. So we need to pay attention for investment. Okay, if it is for short term, it is included inside current asset as trading securities. If it is long term, it will be under non-current asset. And then B, treasury shares. Treasury shares is the shares that the company repurchase. Okay, so it will be under equity. And then C, share capital ordinary. So this is the same with common stock. Yeah, so it is under equity also. And then dividends payable. So payable, yeah, it means is a liability. So dividends usually is the current liability because it will be less than a year to be paid. And then E, accumulated depreciation equipment. So it is a contra asset account under PPE, yeah, or property, plant and equipment. And then F, finished goods. So it is under current asset. And then G, petty cash. So petty cash is the cash that uh, in a smaller amount that is usually used by the company to pay small expenses. So of course it is under current asset also. And then H, interest payable. So usually interest payable is under current liability because we need to pay the debt, okay, along with the interest that will be mature. And then I, deficit. So deficit is the same as loss. Okay, the loss will be under retained earnings. And then J, trading securities. So trading securities is the active securities that we trade almost every day. So it is under current asset. And then income taxes payable. Here usually it is under current liability. Yeah, because at the end of the year, usually it's liable and it will be paid in a month usually. And then L, unearned service revenue. So remember, unearned revenue, okay, it is under current liability. Yeah, it is the money that we receive but we haven't do our obligation yet. And then M, work in process. This is the work in process inventory. So it's under current asset as well. And then N, salaries and wages payable. So usually it is under current liability because we need to pay the salaries and wages the next month.